Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making condensed milk sweets. I've got the condensed milk in here. I've just opened it in this little pot, and now I've opened one condensed milk. I didn't use a lot, just one. So I just have it like this, and I've just opened it and pour it all out. And I'm going to put it on a stove, and I'm going to cook it. So this is how I'm going to cook. I'm just going to keep mixing until it turns into sort of like caramel colors. Then that will be the toffee. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so I'm just going to keep mixing this like that all the way until it turns it sort of turns creamy brown sort of toffee look like. So right, let's put this on muscle work, huh? That's good. It's going to take a while. It takes time, but you know, at the end you get beautiful toffee out of it. Or you could just go to the shop and buy one, but I prefer homemade. Homemade's always brilliant, are the best. Okay, I've just literally removed it from this pan because it was too small and it was taking a lot of room. So now this is how it's gone at the moment. So I'm just keep mixing because it's getting quite sticky now. On this, when you get to a point like this, you cannot literally just let go. You have to keep mixing all the way until it turns creamy. So you can see that I am really mixing really fast because I don't want it to burn on the under. Okay guys, you can see that it's actually, oh my god, I am sweating over here. You can see that it's actually turning into toffee now. What hard work. Oh, it's hard work. But nearly there. Nearly there. Okay. Ooh, I'm making a mess now because I'm getting tired. Oops, going burning. So you can see that the caramel is changing. It's literally just right in the middle. It looks fantastic. It's a hard work, I will not lie. I mean, if you're gonna do this, you have to plan not to do any exercise and just try this because it is hard. It is really hard. I will not. It's really hard. Your arms just ache. Right, nearly there. Well, I'll give up on that side. It's literally 10. Alright, I think I'm nearly there. Come on. Okay, once it's like this, that's the toffee all done. So I'm now just going to pour it into my counter. Okay, just pouring water onto my pan, and let's say it will get quite sticky and it will be a bit annoying to wash off. Okay, let's get my hands washed too. Okay, on this stage, I mean, you don't really want to be doing anything because at the moment it's like really hot, and you do not want to just pick it up straight away because it's really hot. So I'm literally just gonna keep doing that and let it cool down, just to cool down a little bit, because I do not want to burn my hand by doing this. So I'll just wait for a few. I mean, sometimes you just take a small amount and just leave it there like that on its own, and that will cool down really quick. Look at that, I can't even get that off because it's really hot. Okay, hold on, let me see if I can get this one to cool down a bit. Woo, man. Right, I'm gonna leave this to cool down just a little. I do not want to burn myself. Okay, so now I've just managed to get a small amount here. Usually you just, oh, what is going on today? I just roll it with my hand. Sorry, my son is recording. He's been a really terrible recorder today. Okay, sorry guys, just helping myself over here.
Yeah.
Already start eating it before even taking it to the kids. Okay, so I just roll it like that and use my knife to just to flatten it like that, and I'll just leave that bit on the side and then move on to the next one. I mean, you have to be a bit careful because it's still hot and you do not want it burning your fingers. I mean your hands, and I mean, look at my hand, it's already red. Okay, same way I've done with the other one. Oh, this is really not dry. So you can see that one is already, first one I did is drying out. So once it's dry, it will just snap off straight away. And just make a small one, because I got a little madam here. Alright, thought to take that one out with a knife because, and you can sometimes make different shapes if you want, but I'm in a hurry and it burns. It burns, so I'm gonna just stick with this sort of shape because I don't want it burning my hand for long. Okay, still got a few left. You can see that still got a few left. So I'm just going to do the rest of them and then I'll get them ready. Alright, so see you in a bit. I've just finished rolling all of them, so I'm just now going to cut them out. And I mean, you can try different shapes that you prefer. Oh, it's so better now. God, it was hot before. My God, I couldn't even do anything. It's still a bit, it's not dry. It's still a bit sticky, so I'm just cutting it like this, not too big, because you know kids, you gotta be careful. Unless they'll be sticking it in their mouth and God knows what they would do with. Okay, so this bit, I'm just gonna cut it in. Oh, I can see that this one is not dry. Oh, it's that bit, it's not dry. I'll just leave this one on the side and take these bits on here. Right, you can see that I've cut these ones into different shapes. That's how they look once they're dry. Right, let me try this too. Right, this one is dry. Just cutting them small size. As I said that once before. Oh. Okay, nearly done. So I'm just gonna cut all of them until they're all ready, and I'll show you guys how they turn up. Let me just stick this one in my mouth. Okay guys, it's all done. You can see that it's looking beautiful. Half of it is gone due to the kids and myself. All right. it's still tasty, but you know, you just gotta be careful not to eat too much. I mean, sometimes you can mix it with butter, but I didn't want to mix it with butter. Just that alone is fine. So, guys, sorry, my mouth is busy. Please leave comments however you like, and please subscribe. And thank you for coming to my channel, watching my channel. Thank you. See ya. See ya.